Imagine this for a second. It's the year 2015. A college student, broke and uncertain, decides to invest a few $100s into a small company called NVIDIA. At the time, it was known mostly for making computer graphics cards for gamers. Nobody on Wall Street took it seriously. It wasn't glamorous, it wasn't flashy, it was just another chip company. Fast forward to 2025. That same student? He's now a millionaire. All because he believed in a company before the rest of the world caught on. Now let's rewind even further. Back in the early 2000s, people laughed at Amazon. An online bookstore? That'll never work. Those who ignored it lost the chance of a lifetime. But those who invested a little bit, they're now living their dream lives. Financial freedom, early retirement, generational wealth. History repeats itself. Over and over again. And today, the exact same opportunity is staring us in the face again. But this time, it's not Amazon. It's not Tesla. It's not Google. This time, it's artificial intelligence. AI is reshaping everything: our jobs, our governments, our finances. Hedge funds are pouring billions into it. Governments are striking secret contracts with AI companies. And Wall Street? They're doing everything they can to keep regular investors in the dark. But here's the truth. There are 5 AI stocks right now that are not only exploding in growth, but they're still undervalued, still ignored by the mainstream. Still accessible if you're paying attention. These aren't lottery tickets. These are companies with real revenues, real contracts, and real potential to dominate the next decade. So buckle up. Because today, I'm going to reveal the 5 AI stocks you can't afford to ignore. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why missing these could be the biggest regret of your life. The 5 AI stocks. Detailed explanation. Palantir Technologies, PLTR. The Eyes of Governments. Background and story. Palantir was founded by Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal, with a bold mission: to use data and AI to solve the toughest problems in the world. At first, people thought it was crazy. Why would governments trust a private company with sensitive intelligence? Real story. During the War on Terror, Palantir's software was used to track terrorist networks. Soldiers on the battlefield relied on Palantir's AI-driven data to make life-or-death decisions. And it worked. Today, Palantir has multi-billion-dollar contracts with the CIA, Department of Defense, and NATO. Controversy. Critics call it invasive. Some say it knows more about your life than you do. Privacy concerns have always surrounded it. But at the end of the day, governments keep signing contracts. Why? Because Palantir works. Future potential. With global instability rising, demand for predictive AI in defense and cybersecurity will skyrocket. Palantir is positioned not just as a company, but as an essential pillar of national security. That means steady revenue and potentially massive stock growth. 4. C3.ai, ticker AI, the enterprise workhorse. Background and story. C3.ai carries one of the most valuable tickers on the market, just AI. Founded by Tom Siebel, a billionaire entrepreneur, C3.ai specializes in applying artificial intelligence to industries like energy, defense, and healthcare. Real story. During the oil crisis, major energy companies used C3.ai's predictive AI to save billions in costs. When the US Air Force wanted to modernize logistics, C3.ai provided the solution. Controversy. The company's stock has been volatile. Some analysts accuse it of overpromising and underdelivering in the short term. But long term? The contracts and partnerships speak for themselves. Future potential. As industries race to cut costs and boost efficiency, C3.ai offers tools they can't ignore. Healthcare systems, defense departments, and energy giants all need AI to survive. C3.ai is at the center of this transformation. 3. UiPath, Path, robots in the office. Background and story. UiPath started in Romania, founded by Daniel Dines, a man who grew up in poverty and dreamed of building something world-changing. His vision? To create robots for knowledge workers. Real story. UiPath builds robotic process automation, RPA tools. AI bots that do repetitive office tasks faster and cheaper than humans. Imagine replacing hours of boring paperwork with seconds of automation. Companies like Coca-Cola, Verizon, and NASA are already using UiPath to save millions. Controversy. Some worry UiPath could eliminate millions of office jobs. But the reality is, companies love it. It makes them more efficient and more profitable. Future potential. In a world heading toward mass automation, UiPath could become the default platform for corporate AI bots. That's billions in potential market growth. 2. SoundHound AI, Sound, the voice of the future. Background and story. SoundHound began as a music recognition app. But when Shazam dominated that space, it pivoted. Today, SoundHound builds voice AI systems for cars, restaurants, and smart devices. Real story. Mercedes, Hyundai, and major fast food chains use SoundHound's AI to power voice assistants. Imagine ordering food at a drive-thru with AI handling the entire process seamlessly. Controversy. The company is small cap and still fighting giants like Amazon Alexa and Google. But that's also its advantage. It's nimble, it's innovative, and it's striking deals where big tech can't move fast enough. Future potential. By 2030, analysts predict voice commerce will hit $1 trillion. If SoundHound captures even a fraction of that market, the upside is enormous. 1. NVIDIA, NVDA, the king of AI chips. Background and story. NVIDIA was once just a gaming company. But today it's the backbone of AI itself. Without NVIDIA's chips, there is no ChatGPT. There are no self-driving cars. There are no AI hedge funds. Real story. Every major AI model, from OpenAI's ChatGPT to Tesla's Autopilot, runs on NVIDIA GPUs. In 2023, NVIDIA became a $2 trillion company, shocking Wall Street. But here's the crazy part. Analysts say it's still undervalued compared to the demand coming in the next decade. Controversy. Some say it's overpriced. But remember, during the gold rush, the people who sold shovels made more money than the miners. NVIDIA is selling the shovels of the AI revolution. Future potential. As AI spreads into every industry, healthcare, defense, finance, entertainment, NVIDIA will be at the heart of it all. It's not just a company. It's the infrastructure of the AI age. So there you have it. The top 5 AI stocks that are exploding in 2025, and yet still ignored by most. Palantir, the secret weapon of governments. C3.ai, the enterprise AI backbone. UiPath, the robot army in offices. SoundHound, the voice of the future. NVIDIA, the king of AI chips. This isn't just about investing. It's about understanding a shift bigger than the internet, bigger than smartphones, bigger than anything we've seen in our lifetime. Every great wealth shift in history, electricity, oil, the internet, created millionaires and billionaires. The AI revolution will be no different. The only question is, will you be part of it, or will you be the person who says, I wish I had invested back in 2025? Subscribe right now, because in the next video, I'm going to expose how Wall Street hedge funds are secretly using AI to manipulate global markets. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. The future belongs to those who act, not those who wait. And artificial intelligence? It's already here.